Hey there, coin collectors. Welcome back to another exciting episode on CoinZF, where today we're diving into a piece of history that's worth more than your average coin. This is the 1996 Lincoln cent. But not just any Lincoln cent. We're talking about one worth a whopping $21 million. Yes, you heard that right. A simple penny, now valued at millions. Stick around as we explore the incredible story of this coin and what makes it so rare and valuable. Point 7 now. You might be wondering, what makes a regular 1996 Lincoln cent so valuable? After all, it's just a penny, right? Well, not exactly. While most 1996 Lincoln cents are worth just a penny, there's a rare version of the coin that can fetch up to $21 million at auction. So what makes this particular penny stand out from the rest? The key lies in its minting error. This isn't just a random coin. It's a double die obverse error. A double die error happens when the coin is stamped twice, creating a doubled image on the front of the coin, the obverse. In the case of the 1996 Lincoln cent, the doubling is so clear and precise that it makes the coin instantly recognizable. But we'll get into that in more detail shortly. So, how does a minting error like this even happen? The answer is simple but fascinating. During the minting process, if the die that strikes the coin is not aligned properly, it can strike the coin more than once. This results in a doubling effect on certain features, like the Liberty inscription, the date, or even Abraham Lincoln's profile. In the case of a 1996 Lincoln cent, this error created a stunning and distinctive doubling on key parts of the coin, making it stand out from the thousands of other regular cents produced in that year. But here's the kicker. Most of these error coins were caught and removed from circulation, so only a small handful of double-die 1996 Lincoln cents exist. Because of this, they're incredibly rare. Now let's talk about rarity. According to experts, there are only a few dozen of these 1996 double-die Lincoln cents in existence. A graded specimen in perfect condition can be worth a staggering $21 million. That's a lot for a penny, don't you think? This coin is so rare that when one of them went up for auction a few years ago, it fetched a price that blew everyone's mind. The specific condition of the coin, its grade, and the doubling error are what drive its value through the roof. Okay. So now you're probably wondering, how can I tell if I have one of these rare coins? Great question. Let's break it down. First, you want to closely inspect the obverse of the coin, particularly around the Liberty and In God We Trust inscriptions. Use a magnifying glass or a loupe to look for signs of doubling. That's when the letters appear to be shifted or stacked on top of each other. Another area to check is the date. You'll notice that the 9 and 6 in 1996 have a clear doubling effect, making them look almost like they're written twice. If you spot this, congratulations. You might have a valuable piece of history. Now let's talk about the value. A regular 1996 Lincoln cent is worth, well, just 1 cent. But if you have the double die variety, its value can skyrocket depending on its condition. Coins that are in mint state, meaning they have little to no wear and tear, could be worth thousands of dollars. But if you have one of the best preserved examples, it could fetch millions at auction. The most famous 1996 double die Lincoln cent ever sold for over $21 million. This just goes to show how powerful rarity and condition are when it comes to the world of coin collecting. So, there you have it, folks, the story of the 1996 Lincoln cent, and how a simple minting error turned it into one of the rarest and most valuable coins in the world. If you think you might have one of these rare pennies, make sure to get it appraised and graded by a professional to determine its true worth. That if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing coin stories like this one. And remember, keep on hunting those rare coins. You never know what might be hiding in your pocket change.